Danke bafethu, welcome back to Nkuli Soccer. Breaking news bafethu, isquad se-Kaizer Chiefs noma i-team ezodlala neSiwelele FC manje ngo-7:30 u-Ighodaro bafethu for the first time uyaqala laphana phambili for i-Kaizer Chiefs. Uqala noDuba bawuthula abantu laba yi-striker bafethu, but sobona i-versatility yabo nanokuthi bazodlala kanjani, but I'm expecting ukuthi uDuba mhlawumbe adriftele eceleni kancane, but asisho sonke isquad bafethu. Emuva goalkeeper uPeterson, uKwinika uqala noLokhunjana, uKwinika uqala noMiguel Umthethwa, uFrosler, and then kuqala uMcCarthy bafethu ku-left back. Wow, hayi. And then kucele uMvilakazi, uShabalala, uDuba, Ighodaro. Yisi squad se-Kaizer Chiefs bafethu sipheleleke la. My surprise ukuthi uLokhunjana usebhentshini laphana, uCross noVuma noMunyane noNdlovu noMaboy noSirino uvele baye naye bafethu usebhentshini, noLilepo noMayo. Hayi, isquad bengingasi-expectanga ukuthi ngingasibona lesi ku-Kaizer Chiefs bafethu at all, but guess what, finally nabanye abadlali abasha laphana bayaqala for i-Kaizer Chiefs. I think lento le izo-excite ama-fans we-Kaizer Chiefs abaningi ukuthi ovele baye bakhona laphana ebhentshini. U-Ighodaro uyaqala, maybe uzokwazi ukubasolvela laphana izinto phambili, because oMayo babanikile ama-opportunities ukuthi badlala. Unfortunately izinto azikakahambi the way uMayo maybe beka-expecte ngakhona ukuthi uzokwazi ukushape izinto ku-Kaizer Chiefs, aletha ama-results. Ighodaro bafethu powerful kakhulu, ibhuli laphana phambili bafethu. I'm expecting him ukuthi abe i-boss laphana phambili, aphushe ilona iSiwelele FC bafethu to the peak, abaphushe ngempela ukuthi ngeke, akukho lula bafethu ukudlala against Ighodaro. Sengimbukele for a couple of years bafethu, and ngumdlali oserious ngempela, akadlali i-arrogance yakhe ibaluleke kakhulu kule game le. You know what I'm excited about bafethu? Ukuqalisa uVilakazi, and ngeke ngayisho lento le ngathi Kaizer Chiefs in terms of creativity ayiqalisa uVilakazi noMdu, baqalise bobayi-2, bangasabi ukubaqalisa bobayi-2, and then bazobona ispark esi-serious laphana, i-creativity laphana laphana phambili. Cabanga uVilakazi maka-connecta noMduba futhi, hayi ngibona umlilo mina, ngibona ifire ngempela, ngibona i-havoc. But-ke ngaba nama-expectations lese wami, ngiba-hype abafana, uthola ukuthi it's not their day, uthola ukuthi abakwazi ukudlala kahle overall laphana, but i-creativity e-serious le bafethu. Ighodaro ilanga lakho mfethu lokuthi uzi-introduce ku-Kaizer Chiefs, uzi-introduce kubo bonke abantu basebholeni lase-South Africa. Siyazi ukuthi u-Ighodaro uke wabakhona ebholeni lase-South Africa, but-ke akakaze azi-introduce ku-big team. This time around uzi-introduce ku-Kaizer Chiefs bafethu. I-country yonke ibukele, millions and millions of people, they'll be watching him. uMcCarthy, okay, we have to ask ourselves ukuthi i-Kaizer Chiefs ibeke uCross ngaphandle, uMcCarthy udlala i-left back. Yini lento le bengisho ukuthi kusho ukuthi uShinga njengoba uMcCarthy bambeka ku-left back, kusho ukuthi banama-options ku-left back awungaki, awu-3, in fact awu-4 manje, because of kunoMako o-injured, and then kunoLokhunjana, kunoCross, kunoShinga. Manje sekunenye i-option which is uMcCarthy abambeka laphana ku-left back. But uMcCarthy akakuniki lutho in terms of ukuya phambili, akekho creative kufana nabo-Shinga nabo-Mako, but-ke u-add i-depth in terms of i-defense, ukuthi i-defense ibe strong kakhulu. Siyabona ukuthi i-Kaizer Chiefs i-prioritize ukuthi ibe strong laphana emuva. Offensively kusho ukuthi ngeke ba-attack kakhulu lese ngama-winger from ngama-left back nange-right back. Ulo Frost uyakwazi ukuya phambili, but uleka leyo pace leyo yokurecover in terms of ukubuya emuva. But so maybe sobona Umthethwa adrift athu esayidini lakhe me-overlepile, sobona ukuthi bazoshape kanjani. But yeah, this is an exciting lineup. Sobona ukuthi ucela uzocontribute kanjani laphana ku-midfielder, ukuthi uzodictate i-game kanjani. But yeah, I think it's a good team mawubabheka bafethu, and abantu they've been crying ukuthi akuchange isquad laphana, but isquad didn't change much. But what I like ukuthi njengoba bengishilo ukuthi baqalisa uVilakazi noShabalala, that's a big thing. uDuba inkani yakhe la season kumele ibuye. Siyazi ukuthi uDuba akakabi nawo amaLokhunjana ama-matches like agudi this season, but guess what, uyi-player ungeke uli-write off bafethu, player ungeke uli-write off at all. I-player leli mali khona egroundini, there's something about yena ngempela, cause uyakwazi uku-assista ku-defense, uyakwazi ukuloko, ukutracker back, uyakwazi ukuya phambili, une-speed, uyaphusha ngempela bafethu laphana makubhekwe ukuthi amake izinto ezinjalo. And makubhekwe ukuthi a-attack, uya-attack bafethu, une-speed, kusho ukuthi hayi akukho lula bafethu ukudlala against lo muntu lo, cause uyahlupha. Yinto ayilethayo ku-Kaizer Chiefs, ukuhlupha bafethu. So yinto vele abayidingayo serious, bathola umuntu ozokwazi ukuhlupha amalo, unga-relax. Imagine une-striker or against i-player, but-ke uzirelaxele, na akufuneki kanjalo bafethu. So This is a good starting 11 for i-Kaizer Chiefs and yilokhu njana ama-player amasha bayawanika ama-opportunity. Igataro obvious uye ku-spotlight namhlanje, uye okumele ajabulise abantu around the country. Ngoba uvele start from the bench, and ngishilo lento le ukuthi uvele kuphuma indaba zokuthi uzoqala laphana uzoba khona ethimini ye-Kaizer Chiefs ezodlala, and nangu ukhona azange isikhuluma sitshela abantu amanga earlier on ukuthi ngeke abe khona umfowethu. So it's a big day for uvele I mean, I'm sure abantu around yena bajabule. I-defense ye-Kaizer Chiefs bafethu, i-defense ye-Kaizer Chiefs noma singathini isolid bafethu, ngoba abaconcede amagoli bese attack siyigxeka if bebaconcede amagoli, but abaconcede amagoli ama-defense i-Kaizer Chiefs, noma abaconcede lawa nje amancane. So if laphana phambili bazokwazi ukushaya ukukora, ukuthatha ama-opportunities lawa abawatholayo, i-Kaizer Chiefs izowina amagame amaningi with ease. Akudingeki nje nakancane bafethu ukuthi mhlampe bazistresse laphana ku-defense, because forward manizokora lesebo ma-2 goals 3 goals, i-defense noma ingaconsider 1 like you good to go, ni-right, niyakwazi ukuwina ama-matches, but they haven't been able to do that in terms of converting their chances. Igataro, can he be the answer today? Hey, kuzoba mnandi laphana bafethu eSoccer City namhlanje, noma ngithi FNB Stadium. Yeah, I mean, ilo obvious iswelele, they're coming to the game bafuna ukuprove i-point nabo ukuthi they can beat i-Kaizer Chiefs. Well, they have to beat i-Kaizer Chiefs. Combination, sobona i-combination ya Igataro no Vilakazi no Shabalala. Why ngithi combination ka Igataro no Vilakazi bafethu? uVilakazi ukushaya ngamaphasi brilliant, uVilakazi ukushaya ngamaphasi amahle kakhulu. Uwe ke ohlulekelayo wena as striker, yena amaphasi uzokunika futhi kahle. I wish athola abantu I wish Igataro akwazi ukumcomplimenta uVilakazi. No Mdu uyakwazi kwashaya amaphasi lawa amahle, but at times unokudlala ngathi too relaxed. Yabona makanga up igame yakhe in terms of abe emotional, abe invested to the game, aphushe ngempela, bazokwazi ucreate ama-opportunities. Creativity namhlanje bafethu yinto ekhona galo laphana ku-Kaizer Chiefs. uDuba unespeed, ulona uIgataro uyibhuli, powerful, ushaya ngo-left, ushaya ngo-right, uyashaya nangekhanda, ukora ngazo zonke iy'ndlela. So there's no reason for i-Kaizer Chiefs ukuthi ingayewini imatch namhlanje. I think i-Kaizer Chiefs izokwazi bafethu ukuthola ama-results, njengoba ngisho ayikho i-reason yokuthi bashawe iswelele, ayikho i-reason yokuthi badrowe neswelele. Kumele nje basibonise iswelele ukuthi abafana abancane basheshe nje I mean, first half kumele babonise ukuthi abazange ukuzodlala bazowina igame laphana overall. It's not easy obvious ukudlala nje. I think it's very difficult bafethu ukudlala, just nje ukudlala namanye ama-team, because medlala ne-Kaizer Chiefs ayamisela ama-team amaningi overall. But yeah, it's a game for i-Kaizer Chiefs ukuthi iwine. Kumele yabona ingayishaya 2 goals i-Kaizer Chiefs, but i-statement win aboma 3 goals, and banaso i-squad as well equipped. Welcome Igataro, danko bafethu.